Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date April 30th, 2021. Let's start with international news. Niagara Falls eliminated in colors of Indian flag. India is currently facing second wave of COVID-19 crisis. In a display of solidarity and hope of India, Niagara Falls eliminated tonight on April 28th from 9:30 to 10 o'clock p.m. in orange, white, green, the colors of the Indian flag. This is not the first time Niagara Falls are referred as a candidate for the natural wonders of the world. Previously, it was lit up in the tricolor on the occasion of India's 74th Independence Day. The Gambia became second African state to eliminate trachoma. The Gambia has eliminated trachoma, one of the leading cause of the blindness worldwide. The government has announced after almost 4 decades of work to counter the disease, it has become the second African state to counter the disease after Ghana did in 2018. Trachoma, a bacterial eye infection that damages the eyelid and causes the eyelashes to turn inward. It is curable disease if it is noticed initially. If not, it leads to irreversible blindness. Trachoma is one of the 20 neglected tropical diseases. WHO says disproportionately affects the world's poorest people. National news. Ayurvedic drug called Ayush 64 effective for mild infection of COVID-19. The Ministry of Ayush launched the Ayush 64. It is a Ayurvedic tablet developed by Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Science. This tablet has been found to be effective in the treatment of mild to moderate cases of COVID-19 infection. The drug initially developed for malaria in 1980 has been repurposed for COVID-19 infections. E-Puraskar Award 2021. Uttar Pradesh has won the E-Panchayat Puraskar Award 2021. The Union Ministry of Panchayat Raj announced the result of E-Panchayat Puraskar 2021 award under different categories, and the Uttar Pradesh ranked first in category 1, followed by Assam and Chhattisgarh at second place, and Odisha and Tamil Nadu at third place. WhatsApp helpline for expectant mothers. The National Commission for Women launched WhatsApp helpline number 935-495-4224 will provide round-the-clock medical assistance for pregnant women in India. The National Commission for Women officials said that the seeking medical assistance because pregnant women needs special medical care. Covaxin price ranges rupees 600 to rupees 400 state-wise. Bharat Biotech has reduced the price of COVID-19 vaccine called Covaxin from 600 rupees to 400 rupees per dose for state governments, recognizing the enormous channels in the public healthcare system. Made Covaxin available to state government at the price of rupees 400 per dose. The price per dose for a private buyers, which includes private hospitals, continue to remain rupees 1100. Tamil Nadu news. Ex-Education Minister of Tamil Nadu passed away. Mr. C. Aranganayagam, former AIADMK stalwart who had served in the MGR and J. Jayalalitha cabinet, passed away due to age-related issues at a private hospital. He was 90 and was elected to the Tamil Nadu Assembly on 4 occasions, 2 each from Thondamudur and Coimbatore West seats. He had served as the Education Minister during the tenure of founder MGR and Miss Jayalalitha. 2000 years old artifacts found near Ramanathapuram district. 2000 year old artifacts found such as black and red pots, deer antlers excavated in Ramanathapuram district, Mudukulathur municipality near Karunkallakuruchi. It has been unearthed in 20-acre lands in canals and farm areas. 7th phase of excavation in Keeladi. It was begun in February 13th. Sivagangai district near Thirubuvanam in the 7th phase of excavation in Kondagai unearthed black and red colored pots with the megalithic symbol indication. So far in Kondagai, 7 megalithic pots were discovered. Those pots were also found in Keeladi, Manalur and Agaram. Till now, in the 7th phase of excavation, 3 pits dug in the Keeladi and Kondagai and 1 pit dug in Agaram. Police Commissioner Mahesh Agarwal initiated a complaint box to address female PC grievance. Commissioner of Police Mahesh Kumar Agarwal has launched a scheme called Complaint Box for female constables working in the Chennai City Police. Tamil director, cinematographer K.V. Anand passed away. Filmmaker and cinematographer K.V. Anand died of cardiac arrest at the age of 54. In Chennai, he was best known for his Tamil movies like Kanakandin, Ayan, Ko, Matran, Anegan, Kavan and Kapan. He began his career as a photojournalist and started assisting the cinematographer C. Sriram in films. He received a National Film Award for Best Cinematographer in the year 1994. Appointments. Tamil Nadu Division IAS Officer Somnathan appointed to Finance Secretary. The Appointment Committee of the Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister approved the T.V. Somnathan as a Finance Secretary. Somnathan was appointed as a Expenditure Secretary in December 2019 before he was serving as a Principal Secretary in his home cadre, Tamil Nadu. Earlier he was served as a Joint Secretary in the Prime Minister Office. Somnathan was awarded the Gold Medal for the Best IAS Trainee for his cohort. Books. The book name Living Mountain. The book was authored by Amitav Ghosh. This book was published by HarperCollins. It is about how far human has exploited the nature and it caused climate change and environmental collapse. Sports news. 58th National Roller Skating Championship. In the 58th National Roller Skating Championship held from 31st March 2021 to April 11th 2021 in Chandigarh and Mohali under 1 to 14 years category, Coimbatore player Arav Ajit won gold medal and made an achievement. Suresh Raina, 7th batsman to hit 200 sixers in IPL. Suresh Raina joined an elite list featuring the likes of Virat Kohli, David Warner and Shikhar Dhawan. Raina is the 4th batsman to score 500 or more fours in the IPL matches 2021. Important days. International Dance Day, April 29. Theme of this year, Purpose of Dance. In 1982, the Committee of ITI founded International Dance Day to be celebrated every year on the April 29th, the birthday of Jean-Georges Navarre, creator of modern ballet. The intention of the International Dance Day message is to celebrate dance, reveal in the universality of this art form, cross all political, cultural and ethnic barriers and bring people together with a common language called dance. International Workers Memorial Day, April 28. Theme of this year, Health and Safety is a fundamental worker. Each year on April 28, Workers Memorial Day encourages national and international remembrance and actions for workers killed, disabled, injured or made unwell by their work. This day, also known as International Workers Memorial Day or International Commemoration Day for Dead and Injured or Day of Mourning. Expected questions. Question number 1. To support which country fighting against Corona, Nigeria Falls was eliminated in tricolors on April 29? Option A, India. Option B, China. Option C, America. Option D, Canada. Answer, India. Question number 2. Which medicine was recommended by the Ayush Ministry for the mild to moderate corona infections? Option A, Ayush 5. Option B, Ayush 64. Option C, Ayush 10. Option D, Remdesivir. Answer, Ayush 64. Question number 3. introduced by the National Commission for Women. WhatsApp helpline 9354954224 has been introduced for whose urgent needs? Option A, women. Option B, destitute women. Option C, female police. Option D, pregnant women. Answer, pregnant women. Question number 4. Bharat Biotech has reduced the price of which corona vaccine for states from rupees 600 to rupees 400? Option A, Covishield. Option B, Covaxin. Option C, Remdesivir. Option D, Sputnik V. Answer, Covaxin. Question number 5. Who was the Minister of Education in the MGR Cabinet Minister recently passed away? Option A, Tamira. Option B, V.S. Mani. Option C, K.N. Selvakumar. Option D, C. Aranganayagan. Answer, C. Aranganayagan. Question number 6. The deer antler and black and red pottery tiles of the 2000-year-old Sangam period recently discovered belongs to which district? Option A, Ramanathapuram district. Option B, Karur district. Option C, Tirunelveli district. Option D, Thoothukudi district. Answer, Ramanathapuram district. Question number 7. In Keeladi, Kondagai, Agaram and Manalur, how much phase excavation is going on? Option A, first phase. Option B, fifth phase. Option C, seventh phase. Option D, third phase. Answer, seventh phase. Question number 8. Which district police has launched the grievance readdressal petition box scheme for female constables? Option A, Viluppuram. Option B, Kanchipuram. Option C, Chennai. Option D, Kovai. Answer, Chennai. Question number 9. Who has been appointed as the Secretary to the Central Finance Department? Option A is K. Satyagopal. Option B, T. V. Somanathan. Option C, Teres Ahmed. Option D, Vaidyanathan. Answer, T. V. Somanathan. Question number 10. Who is the author of The Living Mountain? Option A, Amitav Ghosh. Option B, Tharipa Vindam. Option C, Nitin Gole. Option D, Anand Sharma. Answer, Amitav Ghosh. Question number 11. Arav Ajit is a student from which district of Tamil Nadu who won gold in inline alpine 11 to 14 age group at National Roller Skating Championship? Option A, Coimbatore. Option B, Kanyakumari. Option C, Kallakurichi. Option D, Namakkal. Answer, Coimbatore. Question number 12. Who is the latest young player to hit 500 fours in IPL? Option A, Rohit Sharma. Option B, Suresh Raina. Option C, Krunal Pandya. Option D, Rishi Pant. Answer, Suresh Raina. Question number 13. What is the theme of International Dance Day? Option A, Achieve of Dance. Option B, Shadow of Dance. Option C, Purpose of Dance. Option D, Enjoy of Dance. Answer, Purpose of Dance. Question number 14. When was the International Workers' Memorial Day observed? Option A, April 28. Option B, April 29. Option C, April 30th. Option D, April 24. Answer, April 28. Vision Academy YouTube channel for the regular notification. Press the bell icon without fail. Thank you.